Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening, respected teacher and friends. My name is Muhammad Jiaul Islam. My ID is 182477766 section A. Today I will present on waste to energy incineration plant. Incineration means burning waste in a controlled way. We burn waste with extra oxygen. This reduces the waste volume by up to 90% and weight by about 75%. So, it is a useful method for managing solid waste. The main goals of incineration are quick destruction of waste, less need for landfills, recovery of energy from burning, safe disposal of hazardous and medical waste, control of environmental pollution. For proper burning, we need three things: turbulence, good mixing of air and waste, time, enough time for completing burning, temperature, high heat for oxidation. These are called the three T's. A waste to energy plant has waste storage and feeding system, grate and combustion chamber, boiler for heat recovery, air pollution control devices, ash handling system. Together, this make the plant work smoothly. Burning waste produces pollutants. For example, fly ash controlled by ESP, acid gases controlled by scabbers, nitrogen oxide controlled by temperature, mercury controlled by activated carbon. So pollution control is very important. Incineration has many benefits like large reduction in waste volume, immediate destruction of waste, small land requirement, energy recovery, hygienic, germ-free residue. But there are also some drawbacks: high capital cost, skilled operation needed, risk of air pollution. Not all waste can be burned. In conclusion, incineration is an effective waste management method. It reduces waste volume and weight, recovers energy, and supports sustainability. But pollution control is essential for safe operation. Thank you for listening to my presentation.